Hello everyone, my name is Amit, and in this video I'll be showing you how ChatGPT can be used for writing simple and effective cases in less amount of time. So this is the OpenAI platform which you can just open and sign up. And once you sign up, you can just click on login button. Now you'll be getting option to chat with GPT. So you can just click on this. After clicking, what you can do, you can ask whatever questions you want. For example, I need to write test cases for some login scenario. So I will ask ChatGPT, write test cases for login page. So as soon as we ask any question, ChatGPT will start processing it within a seconds. And as you can see over here, it started giving you the valid test cases, which is the positive one, negative one. See, valid credentials, invalid, empty username. So you can just refer these test cases, which can be effectively used for the testing. Let's say if you don't like this way, you can just ask ChatGPT to write in tabular form. So you just give the tabular form. It has the history of our questions. It will take the question from our history and it will show it in the tabular form, as you can see over here. See, you are able to see everything in the tabular and proper format, which you can just copy, you can paste it, and you can use it. Let's say if you want it in some different format, what is expected from your organization purpose. So you can tell ChatGPT, yeah, you start with serial number, then test case ID, then steps, then output, then test data. Let's say this is the format. You just tell ChatGPT you want test cases in this format. So now you can see you got serial number, test case ID, description, and everything. So this is very simple way which can be used for the reference, not as a like complete copy paste. You can just refer it, you can read it, you can try to understand what kind of scenarios we can test it, and you can just add in your repository. Let's say if you want to do some kind of exploratory testing, you can just type exploratory. Let's see now what scenarios you get over here. So you can see it started processing. We are getting the exploratory, the purpose of exploratory testing. We are not getting any scenarios because we have just typed exploratory. Now I will just ask for exploratory scenarios. So we need to be a little bit careful while asking the questions. So now he has not understand for what exploratory scenario you want to check. So now I will clearly tell him exploratory scenarios for login page. And now let's see what it gives. Yep. So now we are getting see exploratory scenarios, valid credentials, invalid, password recovery, remember me functionality, concurrent login. So it is trying to cover security from cookies perspective, from sessions perspective. It is trying to cover everything. So this is the way you can ask your questions, you can give your acceptance criteria, and you can get the scenarios from the ChatGPT. But you can just use it for reference purpose. Let's say if you need something more scenarios, you can just you can add from your end. So this is kind of reference what you can say. You cannot be used it as like complete copy paste. You just have to be very careful. It is like let's say it can be Google for you, where you won't be able to find complete scenarios, but ChatGPT will help you to find each and every scenario. And on top of it, if you have your brain is giving some more scenarios, edge cases, boundary value, or let's say equivalence, partitioning related, you can just add it over here. So in this way, you can use ChatGPT for your testing purpose. So thank you guys for watching the video. This was the purpose of explaining what ChatGPT can do with how it can help for the software testers. So thanks for watching the video. Do like and subscribe the channel for the motivation purpose. Have a nice day.